who I have here. Look who I have here. Kimola, Autumn. Hey, Jesus, I've missed these two oranges before you. I have missed these two oranges. Check it for daddy. Jiggy. Biggie. Kimola, there is nothing in this earth that I will choose before you, Kimola. You are my priority. You number one. There is nothing. People are mumbling that I've left you. How can I leave you, Kimola? I can never leave you in this life. I can never choose anything above. Yes, now.
Wait, you mean you choose me over food?
Over
Food.
What is food, Kimola? What is food where you are, Kimola? What is food, Kimola? Which food is better than those two food before your chest, Kimola? Which two food is sweet past those Nima, Kimola? Kimola, I prefer Kambulon Kanatake. You are a full course meal, Kimola. You are a full course meal. And we food, where meal.
Okay,
you are a meal. You are a meal. You are a meal.
What about football?
Football, quoi?
Yeah.
Football. Choosing football before you. Let me ask you, can football give me the kind of peace those two troubles used to give me? Can football give me the kind of tranquility? Can football be as soft as your bless? Is football mad? Is football mad? You know that sometimes if I put my head on those your chest, I'll be hearing falling song. He lives in me. Pala, pampalala, pala. He lives in me. Pala, pala. It's not all this on girls that if I put my head on their breast, I'll be hearing kilikwata, kwata, owe, kilikwata, kwata, ashawo, awasa. Can football give me those he lives in me? Can football tell me, dig me, see me, dig me. You are the only girl that tell me to dig you. Amami will borrow Kimola. Give. Autumn. Kimola, because football can go to hell where you are. Kevin Aga, where are you going to?
See me, I want to write my final year exam.
Final year exam again?
Yes.
Kimola, how many times will you write your final year exam, Kimola? I've known you for 3 years now. Since last 3 years, you told me you are writing your final year exam. Kimola, don't you graduate every year?
It's not my fault now. You know these lecturers, they want to do something with you. And if you refuse, they'll fail you. So it's not my fault. It's
because you don't want to lead your book. They see you as a play because you don't want to lead your book. Because if you are serious with your book, they won't be telling you, come to my hotel, come to. It's when they know that you cannot lead your book and the only way for you to pass is for them to help you. That is when they will say, come to my hotel, Kimola. Every year you are in school, every way. What kind of school are you, Kimola? If they don't want to graduate you, graduate yourself now.
How now?
Put on a school, that's your figure. I remember all these girls, some of these girls and boys. I know some of them. Every year, the person is in school. Every year, but it's not in a moment ago. You are doing yourself. I know that some lecturers, even when you lead, they will still want to sleep with you. Even when you study, I know. It's just few of them. But no lecturer will want to fail you when you are a serious student. Kim,
Yeah, I'm a serious student though. I read my books. I don't even know what's even happening. So.
You lead your books. And then I know that when you read your books, you'll be shaking blessed for them. And then when they now say, come and give me, you'll not be doing, I cannot come. Kimola, this message is for all the people that have been in school for the past 7 years. What are you doing in school? You are doing yourself. Some people will blame Nigeria government. I agree. ASU's like is not helping. But to use your sense. Being in school, and some people are not even in the school register. School does not even know that they are in school. They will just be there forming students. I know most of them now. They will just be there forming students just to belong. When I was in school, I saw some of them. They will be in school, but they don't go to class. Who are you doing? You are doing yourself. Time is going. Find something to do. If school no give you admission, you leave that place and look for something else. Hanging around school does not guarantee admission. Help your parents.
Yeah.
Some people will be collecting money from their parents every year. Their parents will think that they are in school. After so many years, they will find out that this person is not even in school. Some people will even go as far as going to fake their NYSC uniform just to prove like they went for camp. But you are doing yourself. You are doing yourself. So Kimola, if you are not in school, Kimola, if you're not in school, Kimola, it's not every year you are in school, you are in school. It doesn't make sense.
Yeah, I'm in school now.
Are you sure you are in school, Kimola?
I'm studying Igbo technology in school.
Igbo get technology. Kimola.
See, I'm okay, it's okay, leave me alone, job. Because
Hey! Igbo get technology, Kimola.
Why you insulting me now? Leave me alone, job.
It's okay, it's okay. Best of luck in your exam. Oh, shake that thing small for me now. Shake it before you go. Shake it. Jiggy, jiggy. Heavy. Jiggy, jiggy. Got it, bye.
Bye.
I know you just love that video you just watched, right? Share it to your friends and family. You want to go? To see more of my videos, the previous and the future ones, go to YouTube. Subscribe to my channel, Yambaba Comedy. Subscribe is free. Also on the bell for my notification to be popping up on your phone. You want to go? If you also need a good MC for your event, if you need a good event planner to package your event, I'm your light plug. I'm the best MC you will have for your event. If you want to learn advert for your brand, you want us to influence your brand, talk about your products in our videos, create a very nice way to promote your product, call us. If you want to also give shout out to anybody, you know, maybe birthday shout out, weekend shout out, Sunday shout out, any shout out, call us. We will do video to do shout out for your loved ones. We love and appreciate you.